Hi, I'm Diana here talking with Miss Davis about MLK Day. Hi, Miss Davis.
He's Diana.
When is MLK Day?
MLK Day is Monday, January 21st.
Why is MLK Day celebrated?
Well, why is Columbus Day celebrated? Sorry. Um, I'm not like super knowledgeable on the entire topic. Somebody petitioned or like sued for Martin Luther King Day to be celebrated. I don't remember like when was the first. It was a thing. But I think it's just to commemorate a civil rights leader, and to honor those who sacrifice. A lot of people say Martin Luther King Day of service, and what I like is that here at Norristown we're doing Martin Luther King Day of diversity, because it's not just about service. Like, it wasn't about like, oh, let me just serve people. It's like we're fighting for equality and social justice, and so that's why we're celebrating it here at Norristown.
So I know you just said the high school was celebrating MLK Day. What events are going to happen at the high school?
So the Young Scholars for the past 6 years, I believe, have had a Martin Luther King Day of service, and they have a workshop, or they have workshops and keynote speakers. This year is going to be similar, but we are under a grant program, a federal grant, 21st Century, and so the Young Scholars, Unidad, Photography Club, Chess Club, the Black Student Union. I hope I'm not leaving. Oh, Jovenes. I don't know the name of the Spanish heritage Spanish language club here in Norristown, but they are part of it too. And so we came together and we're hosting the event. Again, it's the keynote speaker, a welcome, a really cool performance by the drumline, and a number of workshops.
So when do these events start?
I believe the event starts at 10 o'clock, 10 to 2 at the high school.
What will people gain from this coming to the high school?
So again, this year we're focusing on diversity. As a blanket statement, without giving away too much, diversity in the arts, so like film, music, fashion, and photography. And so I think I'll give you a brief anecdote. When I was in college, I decorated my room, and my mom came in and she was like, oh my God, why are you obsessed with white people? And I was like, what are you talking about? But I had like all these magazine cutouts, and from like a popular magazine, and literally all of the pictures were of white women, and I didn't know that. I just was like, these are nice pictures. And so we're bringing awareness to the idea, like, oh, when you look at something, when you look through a magazine, or when you look at music videos, or when you look at the film industry, subconsciously you may not even pay attention to like the lack of diversity. And so we want to celebrate diversity and talk about how actors, like high school people, educators, everybody can encourage, promote, and celebrate diversity in different fields.
So what clubs are involved to help with this event?
Don't make me say it again, because I don't remember one of the names of the clubs, but it's the clubs that fall under the 21st Century umbrella. Here at the high school: Unidad, Young Scholars, Black Student Union, Chess Club, Photography Club, and another club under the leadership of Miss Salazar.
And what workshops are there?
So I don't want to give away too much. There are 4 different workshops that people will be able to attend at the event.
And what is the STEP team doing?
Ooh, you gotta see, girl. You better be there. Everybody, y'all gotta come and see what the STEP team is doing. Just bringing a little what the STEP team does. And I think they will be leading our workshop, so I can say that.
Okay, so you've heard it from Miss Davis. 10 o'clock, MLK Day. Be here at the high school. Now back to our host.